How to fix team no content services available or no internet connection issues. Yeah, in this very quick video, I'm gonna show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue if you're encountering any problems that is related into your game library. So if you pull up and log in into your Steam account, this is most often or commonly happens onto your library, which is these kinds of error messages such as no content services available or no internet connection issues. So what you're gonna have to do is to click this option here to see Steam and then access settings. Now from settings, you should be able to see a lot of option at the left side, but what you want to have to choose is storage. Now in here, if you're currently using an external device for you to be able to allocate all the games that you have downloaded specifically onto your Steam client, then you're gonna have to choose that, or you're gonna have to choose on the specific drive or library storage where you're having problem with. So say for example this one. Once you've chosen that, all I have to do next is click this three dots and then choose on repair library. You just have to wait for this for a couple of minutes depending on how many games you're having troubles with, and then it should be good. And that's it. That's how you fix Team no content services available or no internet connection issues.